Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I just want to show y'all this, how I got a beautiful mani and pedi. And I did it myself because my hands were looking like claws and my feet, I was making shag carpet on my carpet with my feet. Anyway, I used the MediCool Pedi Nova Pro. So this is an electric nail filer thingamajig. That's how the box looks. And I think I ordered it from Amazon. I have to check and see. Anyway, I've already used it. So it came in another box. The sleeve was over it. And it was in a brown box. So let me show y'all. Okay. Take this out. It was packaged up nicely. It was in this bag. Get this out my way. And as soon as I saw this case, I said, yeah, I know it's going to be quality. Because nice suede-like case, and it zips up. Very nice. Like I said, I've used it already. So it comes with pamphlets on exactly how to use each tool. You can order more. And these instructions on how to give yourself a pedicure, step by step, and which tool to use. Because my feet were horrible. So I did my pedicure first. I have a warranty registration card that I will be filling out. And it comes with a DVD. Who has a DVD player nowadays? I think I may have a portable one somewhere. I'm not going to look at that. I get all my instructions from YouTube University. Anyway, this is the tool itself. I'm going to plug it in. And it comes like this. So you have to plug this into the manicure tool. Just a minute, let me get a extension cord. Oh boy. Okay. Got it. Plug this in. Okay. And put in one of these tools that I use to get the rough parts off my feet, calluses and roughness and stuff off my heels and the sides of my feet. What did I use? So like I said, I was looking on YouTube mainly to see what tool to use. So let me show you. Always turn this off before you take out one of these bits and before you put one in. And if you've been filing your nails, always clean it off before you put in or take out another bit so that file dust don't get down in there. So don't get down in there and jam up the mechanisms. So it has a dial. Just turn it with my thumb. So this is, you turn it as fast as you can tolerate. So I know I have to be very careful when dealing with my feet because I have type 2 diabetes and I ain't about to lose no toes, y'all. So I have to be very careful. This is nice and smooth. And my daughter thought that it was going to heat up and burn me. It didn't at all. Didn't cut my skin at all. I was able to get the calluses and stuff off my heels and the sides of my feet with this tool. They also have one, let me see. Okay, this is the coarse, and this is a little bit finer. So I needed the heavy duty one. So I didn't show y'all the drill bits or whatever you call these things. These are the things that came with it. And each one has a function. And this thing here actually files the nails. And all these got a function. You know how you got hangnails and the cuticle that grows up over the fingernail? They got a lot of little things that you can use for that. And they actually work. And I've never used nothing like this before. Now, I've had an electric file before. It was battery operated. And it was a little cheapy thing. But when I put this in here and got all this dead skin all around the sides of the fingernail. And I was able to push my cuticle back. This is the first time my cuticles look decent. And I did it myself, y'all. And I was able to buff my nail with this thing to make them shine. But of course, I had to put some polish on them. So this thing works very nice. I like it a lot. Like I said, this one here, the flat one, that's for filing the nails. You don't have to use no nail file no more. Or emery boards that always tear up. Part of the emery comes off the board and it's flapping. I don't care if they do give you 12 in the pack. They mess up too fast. And I like that these have, like, I think they're called diamond head. So I ain't got to be replacing no files and stuff. Came with this little bag of things. And these little emery board-like things to go on this tool here, but I didn't use it. I needed the heavy-duty stuff for my nails and my feet and toenails. So, and the way this works, you can turn it to the speed that you're comfortable with. And like I said, it's not going to cut you. It's not going to cut you at all. And if you get to a spot where it gives resistance, then this will stop. But it ain't going to cut. So I like this a lot. So this is what I actually filed my nails with. But it's already done, so I ain't messing them up. Like I said, always turn this off before taking this out or placing one in. And make sure your nail dust don't get down in here. Just wipe off the tools before you stick them down in here. So, comes with a long coily cord. So here's the plug. I have it hooked up to an extension cord. So it's a nice length. And I worked on my feet and my hands for maybe about an hour and a half. And this thing did not get hot at all. And I was looking at the ones that you put the batteries in. But I said, let me get something to plug in. So that's what I did, and I'm very satisfied with it. MediCool Pedi Nova Pro, Pedicure Manicure. So it's a professional pedicure manicure system and powerful 20,000 RPMs motor, variable speed control, lightweight handpiece, easy bit change using no tools, uses standard 3 32-inch bits, and includes 14 tools. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It did. So, and a very nice case. This looks like quality to me. I can store everything. Very nice. So, and there are dozens of videos on YouTube that show you how to use this. Plus, these are nice instructions. I did my feet first, following these instructions. I tell you what tool is for what function. So I like it a lot. So I'm going to show y'all my feet too. First I'm going to show you my hands. And I hadn't been doing anything to my nails. So I have on some clear glitter polish. But I was able to get the cuticle nice. So I'm going to show y'all my feet. I'm going to unplug this. Just a minute. Okay, I think my feet look marvelous. Plus, they are so soft. My heels, you can't see. Heels are nice and soft. Close up of my hand. Where's my thumb at? Where's my thumb? Oh, there it is. Okay, I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a manicure thumbs up. Leave a nice comment and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed day. Okay, bye. My nails look good. And I did it myself. I usually use a regular emery board or a file. I can never find my nail files. So I keep buying emery boards and they tear up if you look at them. And I don't want to go through all that work. So this was much easier and I got a much better job done. Much better results. So I'm gone for real now. Bye. Did I hold this up already? Okay, y'all be blessed. And this is how I'm going to store it. Right in the case. Okay. Unplug this from this tool to hear the end of it. Just cord this cord in here. Put the plug part here. And there's the bits. Okay. Bye.